Hello, my name is Ariel, come from Taiwan. Very happy to join this program.
My name is Trisha, and this is my second time to attend this course.
Hi, I'm Charlotte, and this is my first time attending a coaching workshop.
My name is Jeanette Lim. This is my first time attending IDENTI3 course.
My name is Jaslyn. So I'm happy to actually attend this 3 days course.
I'm not sure what to expect out of this, but I've learned so much from it.
My company used the IDENTI3 as our tool for hiring, and I really learned a lot.
These 3 days actually helped me to interpret the reports, which are very helpful.
I think it's a very useful tool, scientific tool, step by step, very structured to be able to know my fellow colleagues and also the entire organization.
IDENTI3 brings out the best in people. It is simple, accurate, and transformational in understanding people and guiding them at the workplace.
So besides that, we also learn about coaching, team coaching. You need not be a coach because what happened is the cuts will actually guide you through.
So I started with having zero knowledge to be a coach, but now I'm feeling confident to be coaching my peers.
It makes coaching more intentional and personal.
Not only understand the tool and also help yourself to understand yourself better.
And I think it's very beneficial, especially for myself to get to know myself better.
This course itself, especially for the personality part, that is really suitable for everybody.
I trust this tool and I recommend it 100%.
Or you're thinking to be a coach, I think this is where you can start from.
Come and sign up for the course.
Join this course.